To add Breakthru to one of your team's meetings, first use the plus to add an app in the meeting toolbar. Then select Breakthru. Click Save. Now that you've added it as a tab, you can click the Breakthru logo highlighted here to add it to your meeting. As the host, you can choose from joyful, energize, confident, or centered for the group to do together in sync.
We should do energize.
Or let your team choose their own by selecting Breakthru Choice. Now enjoy your 2-minute synchronized break as a team. Now select Breakthru Choice to let each person choose their own. Each participant will then be shown the orb to choose their own breakthrough. Watch as the butterflies show you the different moods everyone chose. Now each member will take their chosen break. Look at all the energy your team made together. End your meeting a few minutes early and use the chat tab to gift a breakthrough for afterwards. Just click Send as a gift, then Give Breakthrough, and then just click Send. And that's 3 easy ways that Breakthru can help you enhance your meetings.